Hey there, so next what we're going to do is customize your funnels. So all throughout the snapshot, we've set up the funnels to be on custom colors. So that means once you place your logo colors and your brand colors here, as well as what font style you want here, it'll update those settings all across every single funnel within the snapshot. So that makes customizing your funnels super easy for your clients. It's you fill out these few questions here, and boom, you have cut funnels that are branded to that particular client. So this is one of the best features in our snapshots because it makes setup a breeze. And let me show you guys how it works. So first, you want to just grab the colors of your logo or your brand and grab the hex code of it. If you don't know what the hex code is, you can use this awesome tool, Colorzilla. You can, it helps you pick up the hex code of a color on any page. But once you have that, you're going to just copy it. I'm gonna use it right now. Here's the color that I want, and I'm going to place that in the primary. And then my secondary color, just another accent color within the brand, I'm going to place that in the secondary. And then you can select what color you would want your font headlines to be. Before we get there, let me just go ahead and show you guys what this is looking like right now. Okay, so this is before we have any of the values filled in. Now that you refresh, there you go. Now it's beautifully customized to exactly how you would want it to look with your branding and colors. Now let me show you guys how the headline colors work. So right now we have it set to be black here, but we can change this to any color that we want. So I think I'm going to actually pick like a gray color. This seems good. All right, now that I've got that pasted there, I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh one more time and you'll see the color change. So now we have this like gray color as the headline color. And then same thing with the paragraph. So here I'm gonna place like a light gray, and yeah, like the head. So these are the headline fonts, the font styles. You can put any of the Google font options here. If you don't know what I'm talking about by when I say Google font options, that I'm just gonna go ahead and press save and continue before I navigate off. But let me show you guys what options you have. All right, so when you go into the funnel builder, you are able to decide, put in any one of these Google fonts. So we can change this to, let's try Roboto, and I'll show you guys how that looks. But anything that is not on this list would not work, but this has huge list, so I'm sure you guys will be able to find exactly what font you're looking for here. All right, so when we refresh this, you'll see the font style change. So see how it's thinner now, and we can go ahead and make sure. So I just have my what font on me. So now you can see that the font is all Roboto versus before, let's see this page. There we go. Versus before we had serif. All right. So let's go and refresh that too so you guys can see the magic in action. And voila, there you go. All updated. Looks much better. The colors are there. The reviews are there. Everything is now set up, customized. You can swap out your logo as well underneath the profile section. So that is how easily you can customize all the funnels within your snapshot. Last thing we need is your website homepage, and if you have a contact us page. So for these, make sure you put the HTTPS before here so that we get the full link, copy, paste that. And if you have a contact us page, go ahead and place the link of that contact us page here as well. Save and continue. And this information is used in different places throughout the snapshot, in email footer, behind logos, so that we can redirect back to your website. If you don't have a contact us page, don't worry, but there is a contact us form as well as contact us workflows within the snapshot. So all you really need to do is embed that form onto any website, and voila, now you on any website page, and now you have a contact us page. All right, so that is how easy it is to set up your funnels, and I will show you guys the next step.